Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will conduct a thorough examination of Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep yourself informed about our latest analyses. You definitely don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 15th of January, 2025, our system has ranked Meta as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.56. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 9.62%. This equates to an average return of 0.96% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significant and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent ahead. Any potential pullback will find support at the ceiling of the current trend, which has been breached at $669.71, a level that may provide a second chance for further gains. According to fan theory, $733.23 is projected to be the next possible peak level, presenting a resistance that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 12% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 0.33% and 10.86%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a 33.38% change over the next year, with anticipated returns between 9.27% and 30.65%. This translates to a price range of $739.20 to $883.84 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Meta stock price increased by 0.32% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, rising from $674.33 to $676.49. It has now gained for 8 consecutive days. It is not often that a stock manages to gain for so many days in a row, and some declines over a day or two should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.31%, with a daily low of $665.67 and a daily high of $681.05. The price has risen in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.84% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 16 million shares traded for approximately $11.06 billion. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $682.53, while the lowest was $387.10. Currently, the price is 0.88%, or $6.04 below the 52-week high of $682.53, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms has reported fourth-quarter earnings that exceeded analysts' estimates, showcasing a robust revenue increase of over 20% year-over-year. This performance, driven in part by significant growth in artificial intelligence spending, positions Meta favorably amid a backdrop of neutrality from the Federal Open Market Committee. This could allow the company to maintain a positive narrative surrounding artificial intelligence growth. However, the outlook is mixed. While the earnings surpassed expectations, Meta's guidance for first-quarter revenue came in below Wall Street predictions, raising concerns about its ability to quickly scale its digital advertising business. Analysts are particularly focused on how Meta's substantial investments in artificial intelligence could impact future earnings, especially as the company also disclosed a staggering $5 billion loss in its Reality Labs unit. The legal landscape also remains in focus, as Meta has agreed to a $25 million settlement regarding lawsuits from former President Trump, adding another layer of complexity to the firm's image. Short-term stock reactions could be volatile due to the disappointing revenue forecasts, creating skepticism among investors. In contrast, long-term sentiment may hinge on the successful execution of Meta's artificial intelligence strategy and its ability to monetize these investments effectively. The combination of strong earnings with cautious revenue projections sets the stage for a critical period ahead as stakeholders assess Meta's path forward. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 21st of January 2025, it was reported that Raymond James assigned Meta a strong buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 13th of January 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Meta an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 10th of January 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Meta an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 7th of January 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight rating along with a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Meta an outperform rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Meta stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of $647.80 and $617.33. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 14th, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 13.84%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning, warranting close observation of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 39 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 122 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 115 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta currently finds support from accumulated volume at $659.88. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $15.38 between its high and low, equating to 2.31%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.46%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. This ratio is relatively standard, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 29th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.75. It's essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $659.88. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Mark Zuckerberg, who bought and sold 24,810 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 39.724. In total, insiders acquired 91,784 shares and disposed of 214,330 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $655.92, indicating a decline of 3.04%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, which translates to a medium level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established 10 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta exhibits several positive signals and has successfully broken through a strong upward trend. Given its solid technical position, we believe it represents a good investment opportunity at current levels, with expectations for further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Following our assessment of the volatility and trading movements from the previous day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, January 30th, we anticipate Meta to open down by $2.09, starting at $674.40. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the purchase or sale of any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.